Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Has Plans. Today's video is another Orange Umbrella Co. sticker haul. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, I have so many fun kits to share with you today. Let's get started. So here's their business card. You can find them on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. The YouTube channel is a lot of fun because Melanie will do pre-release videos so you know what's coming out before it's up on the website. So take a look at that. Let's go ahead and just start with the freebies here while I have them on top. Oh, this is cute. Mother's Day. That's sweet. I like that. We've got a couple of half boxes here. Some black and white doodles, books. These are great for reading journals. Clean the shower. Cute. Some little house chores things. And then some scripts here. Don't forget payday this week, next week, to buy to go. Cool. Love those freebies. Alrighty, so I'm going to get started. I have so much to share. Let's put this all to the side and let's start with the first one. Okay, so this is kit 105. It's called Geo. I bought this because I plan to use this for my budget, as you can see here. I've got the thin washi. Isn't this gorgeous? I love the colors here and I just love that. Reminds me of how I highlight my walk area with my Tombow, just kind of that brush stroke look. I've got sinking funds, which is perfect. And I've got savings tracker. I love that Orange Umbrella Co. does both a sinking funds header and a savings tracker because I do my budget that way. And then this is the monthly. Now, here's what I did. All of you that watch me know my budget planner is a Happy Planner Classic 7x9 or close to. So I've been struggling with, I found one shop that does Happy Planner Classic monthly kits, but that Simply Smith is kind of the only one. And so what I'm doing is I ordered the Moxie Life monthly because I compared it. I happen to have a Moxie Life planner that I'm not using. So I compared it to the header on the monthly with my Happy Planner and it was really close. So I want to give this a try and see how it works. So this just has the header. It's got the days of the week here. If you want to switch to a Monday start, it comes with the Sunday start, but you can just overlay those if you want to change. And then I already have some monthly scripts with just the months, so I didn't need to order more of those. So that's Geo, Kit 105. Next I have Bold Triangles, which is Kit 143. Look at how bright and colorful this is. So I have some basic labels. I've got thick washi, and I've got the monthly for an Erin Condren. So my plan is to use this in my Erin Condren social media planner. So I loved the turquoise, just bright stripes always get me. I love this. So again, that's Kit 143 and that's Bold Triangles. And then next I have Kit 159. And again, I ordered budget kit. So this is Summer Nights. And I've got the savings tracker. I've got the sinking funds. Look at how pretty that is with the turquoise and the orange, kind of like a deep turquoisey, kind of maybe a slate blue. So pretty. And then I love this washi down here with that dark navy blue background. I've got the washi here. And then again, I've got the Moxie Life monthly page so that I can see how this will work with my Happy Planner. Love that. Love the colors in that. Okay, so that's the budget. And then I also bought it in the weekly because it's just gorgeous. So I got the deco sheet because it's super cute. I love this pretty, like very faint leaf here. Love that. Of course, we've got the Plum date strip headers and then the weekend banners on the sheet. And now we've got here the reformatted full boxes. Isn't that pretty? I love this. Oh, I can't wait to use this. I think this is going to be more, maybe I might use this in August or July. And then 4 strips of washi in 2 different patterns. You've got lots of icons here. Appointment labels, plain labels, some of those cutie scallop labels that I love, and then lots of decorative ones in the full box. So this is the reformatted mini kit, sheet 1 and sheet 2. 4 more strips of washi in 2 different patterns. Love that. More basic labels, more appointment labels. a habit tracker, or this is actually, oh, these are individual habit trackers. So it's not like one sticker of 3, it's 3 individuals. Another full box here, and then lots of scripts. These are pretty much the scripts I need. It's perfect, it works out perfectly. And then so cute little hearts here, a couple little arrows, and then the utensils there along the side. Again, that's $159, and it's called Summer Nights. I love this kit, so pretty. Okay, next I have kit 160, and this is called Fruity, and it's the cutest little kit. Okay, Plum date strip headers. I got the journaling sheet. Again, I'm just trying out some of these new sheets. I love these like decorative pieces here. See how I'll use those. Melanie uses them in her teacher planner, and they come out so cute. Like I love this little like torn strip of washi here. So cute, a little brush stroke. So I'm going to see what I can do with those. And then full boxes, again, reformatted. Look at how cute these are. I may use this in August, maybe. Again, just has that kind of fruity, the apples kind of remind me of back to school. And August is back to school for my kids. And again, the mini kit. I am loving how the mini kits are formatted. You get a full box, 4 strips of washi in 2 different patterns, all of these fun icons, the cute scalloped boxes, some plain boxes, and then appointment labels, and then lots of decorative boxes. And then the sheet 2, more functional, more washi, again, 4 strips in 2 different patterns. Some cute little utensils. I love the pink. These little hearts are darling. And then, of course, your scripts and just the basics that you need. Clean house, do laundry this week. I love it. And then some habit trackers. So this is really cool. So that is kit 160 in the Fruity. I love it. It's so sweet. Okay, now I'm going to say spoiler because I don't know if you've got yours yet. This is the mystery kit for May. It was on sale from May, I think, 12th through the 15th. So I kind of waited to the end of the month to show you. This is darling. So the theme was like nautical. Look at how cute. I had to get the deco, of course. Look at how sweet this is. It's kind of tropic with nautical. I love that bicycle. So cute. Okay, so here are the full boxes. Oh, the turquoise and the navy and the pink. So me. This is so right up my alley. Look at how cute the little beach house. How cute is that? Little cabana. And then again, I got the deco because I just want to try it out. Also because, why not? Sorry, this was the journaling deco as opposed to the regular deco. And then I got lots of 1/2 and 1/4 boxes. I love this pink polka dot. How cute is this? And then look at the washi. Oh, so sweet. I love this. Oh my God, this is so me. Navy blue with pink florals. I mean, how great can this get? And then again, this cute little beach house cabana here with the bike. That is so sweet. Am I holding it close enough so you can see? And then look at this with the little, what is that? Like the steering wheel on a boat? I don't know. There's a proper name for that, I'm sure. Polka dots. These are so cute. And then just some nice solid gold there. And then this is cute. So the mini kit does have a freebie. Look at how cute that box is. And I love the little knot. This is so sweet. Happy summer. And then, of course, I have the Plum date strip header. And then I ordered more appointment labels just because I didn't know how many I would need. So that is it. That's the mini kit for May. So I'm going to go ahead and bring everything back into frame. I love this kit. Alrighty, friends. So this is a look at kind of everything. This little sticker spread here. I hope you can see all the great kits that I got. Look at all of these colors. This is just so beautiful. I'm so excited. I can't wait to plan through summer. All right, friends, I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.